Kyaddaaki ababaka abali ku ludda olwa gavumenti bamaze ne baseeseetula ku kye baali basibiddeko eky'obutadda mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu. Bano olunaku olwaleero bazzeemu ne batuula mu lukiiko olukubiriziddwa omumyuka w'omukubiriza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga luno. Akulira oludda olw'abala gavumenti mu Palamenti Mathias Mpuuga Nsamba avuddeyo n'ategeeza nga bwe badde bagoberera buli kimu ekibadde kigenda mu maaso.
Not in exile. We only took a well-concerted decision to retreat in view of what was obtaining that day. I want to take the opportunity to thank you for understanding us as presiding officers when we took that decision. And the members, because at least none of the members here went out of their way to ostracize us for that decision.
Onazzeemu kikkaatiriza nga bwe batawagira bikolwa bimenya amateeka kugenda maaso kubeera nga biddukanyizibwa mu nyaffe Uganda.
I want to restate that we want to be well understood as members of Parliament, as leaders, that for the actions we took, it's not that we encourage crime, but we also understand that this is our country. And when the state is acting to curb crime, it must as such act within the limits of the law.
Sabbiiti eyise ababaka bano baalangirira nga bwe batajja kukiika mu lutuula luno olwa Palamenti singa ababaka bannaabwe okuli Muhammad Segirinya ne Alan Sewanyana tebateekebwa mu kkooti ezimanyiddwa era nga kino nakyo Mpuuga kyogeddeko.
Were produced before court, and we still make the same demands that due process is followed and that the exercise to a quick, transparent and fair trial, so that them and other citizens can see the beauty of being ruled under the law, not by the law.
Wabula asabye gavumenti okutangaaza eggwanga we liyimiridde ku bantu abasoba mu 14 abaabuzibwawo nga ne gye buli kati tebamanyiddwa ku mayitire.
19 citizens that had disappeared, not actually disappeared, that had been arrested variously by state actors from their workplaces and from their homes. Speaker, we never got a response from government on those citizens. And it's business as usual. Through you, Right, Speaker, as I take leave, whether it wouldn't be procedurally okay to demand that you instruct government to respond on the fate of those citizens.
Minisita omubeezi w'ebyobutebenkevu Jim Muhwezi asuubiza nga bw'ajja okwanja alipoota ekwata ku bantu bano abagambibwa okuba nga tebalabibwako wabula nga baakusooka kwevumba kafubo n'omukubiriza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu awamu n'akulira oludda olw'abala gavumenti.
I will do that, and of course we will need more information from the Right Honourable Leader of Opposition, because he's talking about state actors. We don't know whether it's the army or the police, but we shall interact and get more information. Thank you.
Thank you. So we shall have a meeting on Thursday in my chamber. Some of these things, because we need to have this resolved so that it stops coming on the floor. Members, I have matters of national importance, but I will bring these matters after the bills have been laid.
Mu kusooka omumyuka w'omukubiriza w'olukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Anita Mong ayaniriza ababaka bano okuva mu kwekandagga kwe babaddemu.
Welcome back to the House. While you are away, we missed you, but we represented the country effectively. But we are happy to have you back, and we'll continue working together as Parliament of Uganda for the good of our country.
Omubaka Ibrahim Ssemujjunganda avuddeyo n'asaba Palamenti emanyise wa weeyimiridde ku babaka abakwatibwa entakira.
When a member of this parliament is arrested and detained, like it was in my case and Honorable Jim Mwezi, what protection and help, welfare and otherwise, does the institution of parliament that employs me offer, Madam Speaker? That's what I wanted with the meeting to find out from you, because our colleagues, I went to visit them in Chigo. They don't see the institution that employs them, helping them to cope with what they are going through, Madam Speaker.
The salary of members has not been cut off. Members are still getting their full salary because there is a presumption of innocence. And if you, as we've pledged, if there is any problem, they want any medical attention, they want anything, our offices are available. We are open to support the members.
Omubaka Sserwanyi ayogedde ku kyababaka bano okudda mu Palamenti.
And leader of opposition, whenever we have a disagreement in this house, there has been violence, fights, but I want to thank them for exhibiting civility this time round. They walked out in a civil manner, there was no fight, and right honorable, they made their statement very loud and clear.
Sabbiiti eyise ababaka bano balangirira nga bwe batagenda kuddamu kutuula mu ntuula za Palamenti zonna okutuusa nga gavumenti emaze okwanja awamu n'okutwala ababaka bano kuli Alan Ssewanyana ne Muhammad Ssegirinya mu mbuga z'amateeka ezimanyiddwa ssaako n'abantu abazze babuzibwawo. Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.